Hi everyone, Christina from the DIYmommy.com here, and today I want to share with you 7 decorating mistakes that you might make and how to fix them. This video is part of my Simple Decorating Tips series, so if you want to learn more about home decorating, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Today I want to share with you 7 decorating mistakes that you might be making. These are mistakes that I've definitely made in the past, and I am kind of learning as I go. In last week's video, I shared with you that I have a graphic design background. I don't have an interior design background, but I've definitely used those basic color theory and basic design theory essentials and transferred them to my home decorating. Let's get started. Mistake number 1 that you might be making in your home decor is hanging your curtains too low. If you hang your curtains too low, it makes your ceilings shrink and it makes your windows shrink. I shared all about this in a video a couple weeks below, so I'm going to link to that right up here and in the description box below. And I'm going to show you in that video how to hem your drapes properly and how you can fix this problem by hanging your drapes closer to the ceiling. Decorating mistake number 2 that you might be making is choosing the wrong scale of furniture for your space. I have definitely made this mistake in the past. If you choose furniture that's too large or too small for your space, it can really make your room feel really out of proportion. How to fix this is to make sure that you measure your space before you choose furniture for your room, and make sure to know the dimensions of your furniture. Draw a plan of your space and make little replicas of your furniture, even with paper or on the computer, whatever works for you, and put them in your space to see how they're going to fit. Mistake number 3 in home decor is over-accessorizing. This is something that I definitely tend to do. I'm a maximalist. I love lots of kitschy kind of things. So definitely make sure to edit after you've decorated your space. So to fix this problem, put out everything that you think that you might want in your space, take a photo of your space, and then remove items that you think don't necessarily go with your decor or just add too much clutter to your space. I really like taking photos of my rooms because for some reason that just makes me have more of an objective perspective of my space. Mistake number 4 in home decor is not investing in timeless neutral pieces. I covered this in my very first video in this series. I shared with you some home decor basics that I think everybody should get, and all of them were in whites and neutrals. I think investing money in very neutral colors, so if you're getting a large sofa, for example, or some expensive sheets, getting those in a neutral color like white or off-white is going to save you money in the future because you're going to be able to use that piece for a really long period of time, and it's going to match any decor trend that pops up. Mistake number 5 that you could be making in your home decorating is hanging your art at the wrong height. I see this all the time. I used to do this. You want to make sure that your artwork is at gallery wall height. So basically about 5 feet off the ground should be the center of the art. I often see people hanging their art way too high or even too low, and that just kind of plays with the scale of your room. If you have it at about 5 to 5.5 feet from the floor, the center of the artwork, that's going to make your room feel like it's a really nice scale. Also, it's practically appealing because people can see the artwork nicely, and it's just a really nice height for art to sit. Decorating mistake number 6 is using the wrong colors together. So using colors that clash together or colors that just don't work together. And I covered all of this in my video last week about color theory in home decor. So make sure to check out that video. I'll leave it up here. I'll leave it down below in the description box on how to match colors together, whether you're using a contrasting color scheme, an analogous color scheme, or just a nice neutral color scheme. And the final mistake that you might be making in your home decorating, mistake number 7, is decorating for someone else and not for you. So I personally love following home decor trends. It's kind of part of my job now and I really enjoy it. However, when it comes right down to it, I am decorating our home for me, my husband, and my kids, and that's really what matters. So no matter what the trends are, no matter what your friend is doing, no matter what the YouTuber is doing that you see on YouTube, doesn't matter. Make sure that you're decorating your home in a way that works for you, in a way that works for your family. So if you love the color purple, go ahead, use that color in your home decor, whether it's trending or not. If you love a lot of comfy, cozy pieces, use those even if more structured pieces are trending. So you kind of get the drift, right? Make sure that your home is a representation of you. You have to live there, your family has to live there, so decorate for you. I hope you guys found these tips helpful today. Let me know in the comments below if you've made any of these decorating mistakes. I told you I definitely have, and I'm definitely working on making my home cozy for me and my family. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all again in my next video. Bye. And today I want to share with you seven decorating tips that you might make and how to fix them.